Alright, welcome back to my channel, and this is a tutorial on how to install Xampp 64-bit on Windows 64-bit. Go to Google and type in Xampp download, and just click on go to download to here. I'm gonna leave a link to the website in the description below. You're gonna click on either one of these, probably this one right here, but you go with the top one and download it. Okay, now when that's done download, go to the folder, find where to download it, and click on it. And just click on it on this little box with the green arrow. It might look different on your computer if you download, but just click on that. Important because an active user account on your system, some functions of Xampp are possibly restricted with the UAC. Please avoid to install. Setup. Just click OK. Just go ahead and then click Next. Then you leave all that check and go ahead and click Next. And this is where exactly where you want the folder to go at, is in your hard drive, and you just want to click Next. And you do want to leave it because this is like WordPress and Drupal. So I'll leave that alone. Just go ahead and click Next. Click Next and just let it install. Okay, and when this pop up about the Apache server, let's go ahead and click Access. Okay, so we have finished installing Xampp on your computer. Do you want to start the control panel? Sure, so let's go ahead and click Finish. Well, since I am an American and English is my first language, so I'm going to click Save. The control panel has to be right here. And click Start on Apache and MySQL. I say click asset, click both of them, check out both of these. Private networks such as home or work networks, public. Just in case you might be in public, you can have this right here. Coffee shop, not recommended because these networks often have little or no security. So so you might not want to check these all the time because of that. But you always check home privacy. Then you want to come up to, okay, now you want to come up to type in local host, and you want to go for, what you want is welcome to Xampp, localhost, /dashboard, /index.html. That's when you click on. Then it will take you to this. Welcome to Xampp for Windows 7.3.4. That'll be the new versions, and this will be it right here. And your PHP admin, so you gotta see all that up in another video. Thanks for watching my video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.